Hi everyone, it's been a while, but we are back at Tenteram Peak. The last time we were here, we took a look at a 4-room unit that was sold in less than a month for over $720,000. Today, we are taking a look at a 3-room unit located in this same quaint estate that is supremely convenient with all the amenities you could ask for right at your doorstep. Let's go! One of the things I love about the newer 3-room HDBs is the fact that they are all corner units. As compared to the older HDBs that tend to be corridor units, they offer little in the way of privacy. We have no windows facing the corridor as all the windows faces the exterior of the block, even the window in the yard. I love it that we have a long wall so you can have a huge sofa over here and your dining over there, side by side. Excellent for entertaining guests because you can still watch the television. Else, you can build up a storage rack and have your dining over here. Over in the master, the owners have done up a platform bed for extra storage. For what you see now is a queen-size mattress. A king fits perfectly as well. And before you go, a quick look at the amenities. Tenteram Peak's most standout feature is its location for drivers. You can get to anywhere in Singapore in a jiffy. And there's more. If you're coming back from Orchard Road, it will take you just 7 minutes to get home. For those who don't drive, the nearest MRT is just 3 bus stops away at Toa Payoh. For a wider array of F&B options, one can explore the entire Balestier stretch and Whampoa Market. And lastly, for schools, we are within 1 km of the popular Hong Wen Primary and St Andrews Junior School. All in all, Tenteram Peak is one of my favourite HDB clusters due to its central location, yet quaint and peaceful surroundings. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe as you'll help out the channel a ton. Till next time, bye bye!